When you have Kidpower, clap your hands.
Hello, I'm Maree. I'm here to do some Kidpower with you. And it's not just me. It's Kidpower Kiwi and it's Sheepdog. Hooray! And today we're going to do Stay Together Power. We had a wee problem this morning at the supermarket, didn't we? Yeah, we did. And it went like this. We were all together, weren't we? Yes, we were all together. And we were getting some broccoli and we were getting some ginger and some other things. And while I was busy doing that with Sheepdog and Kiwi, what happened? Now there's only two of us. There were three of us a minute ago. What happened to staying together? Where did Sheepdog go? Let's go and have a look. I'll find Sheepdog. Aha, we found Sheepdog. Where did you go, Sheepdog? Oh, Sheepdog was looking for treats. And what did you think of that, Kidpower Kiwi? It would have been good if Sheepdog had checked first. Yes, because when Sheepdog went off to look for treats, were we together? No, we weren't. So it's a bit hard to use your stay together power when you're not together, isn't it? So we went, off we went, and we brought Sheepdog back. And now we can all go look for treats together, can't we? So remember, when you're out and about, use your stay together power. Bye for now.